Explosions and fires ripped through at least 17 locations in southern Thailand on Wednesday, authorities said, in what appeared to be multiple coordinated attacks that injured 7 people. The bombings and arson attacks happened after midnight and targeted convenience stores and a gas station across 3 provinces, lightly injuring at least 7, according to police and military statements. No one has claimed responsibility for the attacks so far. Provinces in southern Thailand along the border with Malaysia have seen a decades-long, low-level insurgency, in which the Thai government has battled shadowy groups seeking independence for the predominantly Muslim provinces. More than 7,300 people have been killed in the conflict since 2004, according to the Deep South Watch Group, which monitors the violence. Peace talks that began in 2013 have faced repeated disruptions. Wednesday's attacks came after the Thai government earlier this year restarted discussions with the main insurgent group after a 2-year hiatus due to the pandemic.